Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, the power of positive affirmations and how they can empower your journey towards personal growth and fulfillment. Positive affirmations are more than just feel-good statements. They're powerful tools that can transform the way we think, feel, and act. In this video, we'll explore what positive affirmations are, how they work, and why they're so important for building a positive mindset and achieving our goals. So grab a notebook and pen because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine. Positive affirmations are statements that we repeat to ourselves, often in the present tense, to affirm positive beliefs or qualities. They work by rewiring our brain's neural pathways, replacing negative thoughts and beliefs with positive ones. Research has shown that regularly practicing positive affirmations can lead to increased self-esteem, improved mood, and reduced stress levels. But it's not just about saying nice things to ourselves. Positive affirmations also serve as powerful reminders of our strengths, values, and goals. By consciously choosing to focus on what we want to manifest in our lives, we can start to create a more positive and empowering reality. Now let's talk about the power of self-talk. Our internal dialogue, or self-talk, plays a significant role in shaping our beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. If we're constantly telling ourselves that we're not good enough or that we'll never succeed, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Positive affirmations disrupt this negative cycle by introducing new, more empowering narratives. Creating effective positive affirmations is a skill that anyone can learn. Start by identifying areas of your life where you'd like to see positive change, whether it's your self-esteem, career, relationships, or health. Then, craft affirmations that resonate with you personally and reflect the reality you want to create. Remember to keep them specific, positive, and achievable, and don't be afraid to revise them as needed. Incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine is key to reaping their benefits. Whether it's reciting them aloud in front of a mirror, writing them down in a journal, or repeating them silently throughout the day, find a practice that works for you and stick with it. Consistency is key when it comes to rewiring our brains and building new habits, so commit to making positive affirmations a non-negotiable part of your self-care routine. As we wrap up, remember that empowerment is a journey, not a destination. Positive affirmations are just one tool in your toolkit for personal growth and self-discovery. By embracing the power of positive thinking and nurturing a mindset of self-love and abundance, you can unlock your full potential and create the life you truly deserve. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the importance of positive affirmations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and empowerment. And as always, let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, take care and keep affirming those positives.